my mom's in her 50s and she's never looked better. By the way, your 30s are your best decade. In your 40s, your skin will start to lose more elasticity, especially for my corporate bodies that don't want a white cast. Hey guys, welcome to a new video. If it's your first time here, I'm a cosmetic chemist that chats all about skincare, beauty, cosmetics, all the things. I'm pretty much your beauty bestie, and today we're going to be chatting about anti-aging skincare or skin longevity. This is pretty much how you can maintain your skin with every decade. So whether you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or 50s, I'm going to recommend products for you guys that can really help you tackle this new decade of your life where your skin honestly just changes quite a bit as you go through the different decades. Your 20s to your 50s is actually pretty wild how your skin changes. Today we're going to cover all these decades as well as recommend products. If all that sounds good to you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and let's jump right in. Fun fact, starting in your mid-20s, your collagen level starts to deplete by 1% every single year. So I'm in my 30s now, so that means my skin collagen already has depleted by close to 10%, which is crazy, right? And in your 40s, it just drastically plummets. It's just natural. Don't be scared. I hope I haven't scared you yet, but it's just important to make sure you're aware of these. And like I said earlier, start to tackle these skin concerns. That's why I recommend for your 20s to start to focus on things like hydration, sun protection, and antioxidants. These will help you prevent early signs of skin aging and maintain your skin health. A quick skincare routine I recommend for this decade is CeraVe's Hydrating Cleanser for obvious reasons. For exfoliation, Paula's Choice 2% BHA 1 to 2 times a week, don't overdo it, can cause irritation. Moisturizer, Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Water Gel. For sunscreen, I love EltaMD's UV46. I used to use that all the time. I ran out of it and I absolutely loved it. In your 30s, fine lines and early signs of skin aging may begin to appear. For me, I'm starting to notice some white hairs, and this has nothing to do with the skin, but I'm starting to notice a lot more white hairs in my hair. And I'm just starting to notice my skin's elasticity is just not there as it used to be. If you're also in your 30s, let me know what changes you started to experience in the comments below. For this decade, you want to start to incorporate more retinoids and more intensive exfoliation to boost collagen production and improve your skin's texture. For starters, a great cleanser is Tatcha's Rice Wash. This is super popular and very gentle. For exfoliation, Drunk Elephant's TLC Firm Boost 2 to 3 times a week. For toner, Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow, so gentle and smells amazing. For serum, the Ordinary 0.5% Retinol Serum. I love this one because the dosage is super low where it doesn't cause irritation, especially for a first timer. For moisturizer, Olay Regenerous Micro Sculpting Cream. Sunscreen, Supergoop SPF 40 Unseen Sunscreen, especially for my corporate bodies that don't want a white cast. By the way, your 30s are your best decade, if I do say so myself. In your 40s, your skin will start to lose more elasticity and show more advanced signs of skin aging. Make sure you enhance hydration, use more potent exfoliants, and include serums with anti-aging ingredients to address these changes. For cleanser, Cetaphil's Daily Facial Cleanser. Paula's Choice 10% AHA 2 to 3 times a week for exfoliating. For toner, Vichy's Mineralized Thermal Water. I think I even have one back there. For serums, SkinCeuticals C Ferulic. If that's too expensive, an alternative, more budget-friendly option is Timeless Skincare's 20% Vitamin C. For moisturizer, CeraVe's Skin Renewing Night Cream. And again, for sunscreen, EltaMD's SPF 46. It's just so great. In your 50s, which my mom's in her 50s and she's never looked better, but unfortunately, your collagen and elastin decline more significantly. And I have seen this, especially on her hands and her neck area. This will lead to deeper wrinkles and dryness. Make sure to incorporate richer moisturizers, potent powerful serums, and maintain a rigorous sun protection routine to combat these effects. For cleanser, I recommend Avène's Gentle Milk Cleanser. Exfoliation, Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pill 1 to 2 times a week. Toner, Klairs Supple Preparation Toner. For serums, SkinCeuticals C Ferulic, or the more budget-friendly option I mentioned earlier. For moisturizer, Dr. Dennis Gross C Plus Collagen Dip Cream. And for sunscreen, L'Oréal-Posay's Melted Milk SPF 60 Sunscreen. Make sure to incorporate an eye cream if you must. My mom loves an eye cream and she loves the one from Glow Recipe. It really helps her with wrinkles and puffiness. Stay hydrated with a great toner, which I've really come to love, and protect your skin from the sun. If this offers any reassurance, Kim Kardashian said the one thing she wishes she incorporated earlier in her routine is a great toner. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it valuable. If you did, make sure to like the video, subscribe. It goes a long way in helping this video reach a larger audience. Comment your age or your decade below, because you know women should never share her age. Let me know your skincare routine looks like, and someone can probably benefit from your advice. Thank you for watching this video once again. I'll see you guys in my next one.